Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend on where you are watching me from. Yeah, JAMB Math is here again to have a little time with you guys. How you guys doing? Hope you are doing great. I'm wishing you a wonderful day. Okay, yeah. In this video, I will be solving from JAMB past question, and here is the question: if 6 permutation r equals to 6, find the value of 6 permutation r plus 1. As simple as ABC. Before we do so, can we just pray to our God individually? Let's pray to our God for retentive memory and more understanding. 2 seconds. We are in prayers. Amen. Yeah. I love you guys. Yeah. I want to appreciate you for sharing my videos and watching them. God will always make a way when there is no way for you. Okay? Yeah. Here is a very beautiful question. We will resolve this question together. Let's write solution. Amen. Okay. If 6 permutation r is equal to 6, find the value of 6 permutation r plus 1. I'm going to show you. Let's write question down. 6 permutation r is equal to 6. What will first come into your mind is note that n permutation r is always equals to n combination n factorial all over n minus r factorial. Yeah. So if you agree with me, as it is now, what are we going to do? We want to replace this with this formula. So what do we write? Our n here is 6, two of us. Then, so it means this is what we are going to write. 6 factorial all over, amen, 6 minus r factorial equals to 6. Yeah. Do you agree with me? You agree with me? Because the formula is n permutation r is equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay. Yeah, I want to do one funny thing here. If we are to write 6 permutation, because what we need to do, we cross multiply. If we cross multiply, this is what we are going to 1 will multiply 6 factorial, and this one will multiply this. So we can write it this way. 6 factorial is equals to 6 open bracket 6 minus r all in factorial. Let's rewrite this way. 6 open bracket 6 minus r factorial is equals to 6 factorial. Okay? Then we divide through by 6. Divide through by 6. Amen. Divide through by 6. If we divide through by 6, this is how it will be. 6 open bracket 6 minus r factorial. Amen, equals to 6 factorial all over 6. Okay, so here is amen. Here and now all over 6. 6 and 6 will go. We have 6 minus r factorial equals to here, because of we have 6, let me just note that we can rewrite 6 factorial. I want to do something. 6 factorial this way. 6 factorial is the same thing as 6 times 5 factorial. Yeah. So let's put it this way. So instead of 6 factorial, we are going to write 6 times 5 factorial all over 6. Amen. That's mathematics for you. Yeah. Okay. You know why? Because it's the same answer you are going to get. I know some of you are asking, why am I transforming it this way? Look at it here. If we know that 6 factorial, we know that 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, true or false? So then we have 6 factorial all over 6 is the same as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over what? 6. This one and this one will cancel now. You still left with what? 5 factorial. True or false? That is why I introduce it this way. You try to do it this way. So if you agree with me, this and this will go. Amen. So that we are going to have 6 minus r all in bracket factorial is equals to 5 factorial. Then factorial and factorial will cancel. Or you divide through by factorial, you have 6 minus r is equals to 5. Amen. You know, life of mathematics is always beautiful with Mr. Osi. I hope you are following me. Okay? So at this point, we collect like terms, like terms, amen. Collect like terms. Okay? Yeah. Collect like terms. Okay, if we collect like terms, we are going to have 6 crosses the sign of equality becomes minus r equals to 5 minus 6. So minus r equals to minus 1. Minus times minus cancels, r is equals to 1. True or false? But they said we should find the value of 6 permutation of r. So let's recall that, amen, recall that we have 6 permutation r plus 1, which is equals to your r is 1. 6 permutation 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, which is equals to 6 permutation 2. Amen. So we still now come back to this formula, n factorial. We have to recall, amen. Note also that that is mathematics for you. Note also that n permutation r is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial. Okay? Yeah. Let's do it this way. Do you agree with me? So if you agree with me, it implies that here will now be our 6 permutation r, 6 permutation 2 will now be equals to 6 factorial all over what? 6 minus 2 close bracket factorial. Then this is equals to 6 factorial all over 6 minus 2, 4 factorial. True or false? So this is 6 permutation 2 is the same. Now this is the same thing as since we have 4 factorial, we can form it this way: 6 times 5 times 4 factorial all over 4 factorial, because it's the same thing that is showing here. Look at it. If we are to go by this and 4 factorial will go. True or false? When you still left with 6 and 5. So this and this will cancel. Then therefore 6 permutation 2 will now be 6 times 5 is 30. So therefore our 6 permutation 2 is equals to 30. This is how you are supposed to solve this type of problem. Should in case you come across it in JAMB, This is how you break it down. Sorry that JAMB is not writing theory, it's objective. And one have to be very fast. But what if it comes in form of theory? This is how you break it down. Please don't forget to share this video. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah.